Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. In today's video I'll be doing a wig ponytail. So this one is a bit different from the previous one that I made. I'll be crocheting this one this time around.
One job bless me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Bad man, me I know say me a bad.
I will be using this mesh cap with holes and the faux locks goddess crochet hair for this tutorial. So guys, as you can see, there is a band on the wig cap. So I'm starting my crochet hair very close to the band. That way when I'm done, I can place my hairband on top of the band on the wig cap, if that makes any sense.
Bad man endure me, I vex them. They don't understand me, I see them. Anywhere they stand me, I tear them. Hello, I tell them. Come in on me yard, me not fear them. Bad man they talk, me not hear them. Bad man they talk, me I tear them. Certain them are moving right. And a bad man they feel alright. Say things them are moving right. And a bad man they feel alright. There you go.
It's feet kills.
Original,
Puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby tell me who's that? Look back, baby make you look back. I move that. Where you move that, touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar, now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar, cause you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Can you feel up my fantasy? Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me pour me out. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so.
So after doing the first line of crochet hair around the wig cap, as you can see, the net is still showing. So I'm going to do a second line very close to the first one. That way when I put the hair up in a ponytail, the net will not be showing.
You are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's feet kills.
have a good time, you know. Them bumbo clock, them a watch it. They are free about nothing. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
You don't know. Bad man. body baby, oh. Ah, his body baby, oh. Yeah, yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel relate, nah, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah, nah, nah. Oh, yeah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah, nah. Said I'm in love with you.
So after doing the second line, the appearance of the net reduced a little bit, so I'm putting the hair up in a high ponytail and securing it down with hair tie before putting it on my head. It's much easier to style it on the mannequin head before putting it on your head, just to make sure everything is in place.
Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Tell me low. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around, but I found nobody. Nobody. Call on me. I go give you all of me. Baby, make you follow me. I go give you all of me. Omo Sean say she moving to the baseline. She a wine make a man wanna praise the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry.
So after putting on the wig cap, I'm going to lay down my baby hair with my edge control. Yes guys, it's my edge control. I've been testing it out for a while now, and I can tell you this edge control is amazing. It lays down your hair perfectly. It's not greasy, it doesn't flake up, and it lasts the whole day. And this is for all hair types. So I'll be launching this edge control on the 2nd of June. I hope you guys are excited as I am, and I just can't wait for you guys to try it out because I so much love it, and I believe you guys are going to love it as well. You can see how it molds down my baby hair easily, and also it does dry down really quick, so you don't have to worry about it not drying down fast. So I just can't wait for you guys to see this one. And that's basically all that I did for this tutorial. And if you guys find it helpful, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.
Say we get to pay, so no delay. See, by the end of the night she be wanting more. By the end of the day they be wanting more. Busting out the place and they wanted more. My people, them I wanted more. Omo ja relate to, omo ja olero. Say we get to pay, so no delay. By the end of the day she be wanting more. By the end of the night they be wanting more. Busting out the place, them I wanted more. My people, them I wanted more. In all the place, see the girl them know. See the girl them know. In all the house, see the man them know. See the man them know. Baby make me feel alright, make me feel my fantasy. Cause you turn me on and you give me all night long. Bad man, bossing out the place, them I wanting more. Them I wanting more. See, bossing out the place, then they feel me, yo. Then they feel me, yo. See them girls just want to party. See them boys, them just want to party. In a me yard, them a throw the party. In a me place, them a throw the party. Say, who like a bad man, me a bossing out the place. Who like a bad man, other girls, them a face. She a whine it for me, she a grind it for me. She a pull up in a place and whine it for me. I wanting more. When I pull up in a place, they be wanting more. I wanting more. When I pull up in a scene, they be wanting more. In the place, see the girl them know. See the girl them know. In the